Here is how you normally type is key by key. So just Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Now, some people have mastered the art of thumb typing, and they can go a little bit faster than that, but I haven't ever even tried it actually. What swipe allows you to do is type word by word just by dragging your finger across all the letters. So, Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. So what do you think? Wasn't that a little bit faster? I really like it. You only have to lift your finger in between words, and then it automatically puts in a space. In your settings, under keyboard, which you should see the swipe keyboard. Now then, when you go to some place where the keyboard appears, notice this is not the swipe keyboard. How can I tell? Because it doesn't have a yellow S down in the lower left-hand corner. So to select the swipe keyboard, you hold down on that little globe, and that shows you all your possible keyboard choices. This is where you can have different languages. So I want the swipe keyboard. There. Now the swipe keyboard is on. All right, so then how do you use it? I've already told you that you hold down your finger through each letter of a word. So I hold down M-A-R-Y, had, and I did something wrong. I made a mistake. You just press the backspace, tap the backspace, and it deletes the whole word since you're typing word by word. Mary had a. Now, how do I get the two T's in little? L-I-T, and then you just kind of circle around so that you stay on it for 2 times. L-E, little, L-A-M, oops, B. And notice that, I really kind of blew it in dragging that, but it could still figure out that lamb was what I meant. Whose fleece, and scribble on the E, was white as snow. I just love that. I can type long emails with this, whereas if I had to go key by key, I just wouldn't. I would wait till I got back to a computer and had a real keyboard.